Good morning.
They just be killing over there.
It's got a little breakfast one.
All over America.
Wasn't much of a breakfast.
Start from like 2015 up there.
We're on the road to Houston next to go get Pierre.
Okay. They don't care. It's black people.
I got on my Black Wall Street shirt that we got.
Did we put the seatbelt up for him?
No.
You got it?
Oh, I can do it. Sometimes it's a struggle, but sometimes.
But yeah, we're about to be on the road for about 7-8 hours.
Road trip.
It's not that exciting. We're gonna pray to the weather gods so that it doesn't rain the whole freaking time.
It's not that exciting for the passenger.
Shut up.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss now. I'm done living life with the lights. I'm done with my own doubts. Be free.
Hey y'all, well, we are at the hotel. Y'all know y'all get the room tour from Eric on a separate video. It's still sprinkling a little bit. We about to go next door and eat. It's called The Spot. Look, we got Pierre. Look at Pierre. They happy to see each other. They're reunited. It's been almost a year. And these guys, look at all them. They are so close to us. Like, look how close they are. Y'all too close. Look at them. Too close. All right, y'all ready? Come on. Come on, y'all. Eric hungry.
Come on, y'all.
He's on the beach. Come on, baby. Look at Oh. Jada got on her Galveston gear. Okay. Right. We need to hurry up and get away from them. They dropping bread. Hey, this is the little spot.
Hey, Smash.
We're going in.
Everybody.
We actually have to wear masks because we were in Kansas, and then when we were in Oklahoma, we didn't have to wear them. So we're about to see. Oh, there's a little play area over here with the Connect 4 and yeah. I want to sit out there. Yeah. Larry don't never have his on. You can go. Open the door. I thank you. Oh, this is it. Oh, that's a line? How does this work? Do you get your own seat or you gotta wait? Yeah, I gotta go back there. Excuse us.
I get two.
Oh, we came in the room. We gotta wait in line for food, or how does it work? No. It's a little restaurant. I got the tiki spot over here. The drinks. The weather's sucking, that's why I got it closed off. It still feels good. It feels really good out here. We got our drink. Well, Eric got it. What you got over there, Eric? Oh, you got margarita?
Yep.
Oh, he got a little beer in there. You fancy, huh? These two over here playing rock, paper.
I didn't remember virgin. What was it?
Pina colada.
Virgin?
Yeah. Let us pray. We good? This is the black bean burger. Jada got a nice Caesar. That look good. Caesar.
I'll get you some cocktail sauce.
Marlene got that Cobb salad over there. That looks good. It's nice. Too classic. Larry got his fruit and fries. Pierre got some shrimp. Eric got the spicy. What you got? Spicy burger?
Sweet and spicy.
Sweet and spicy.
You got nothing else?
Oh, okay. Get it, boo. Get it, boo.
You done?
You got dancing?
We about to leave a little bit.
Eric got finished his drink. Well, mine was good. It wasn't much liquor in it, but it was really good. Really refreshing. Good job. She did like, look at it, every time.
Yeah, it tastes like water anyway.
Cause ain't no dressing on there. Tastes like water.
Watch out, move over. Alright, that's fine. Alright, thank you.
Get it, boo. Oh. Get it, boo. What's that dance called? You done? You done dancing? You the only normal person? Let's not say normal. It looks cute with the braid, without the ponytail. Take that off. I'm trying to get you dancing. You keep stopping. You ain't gonna dance no more? Get it. What you got? Let me see what you got. Hey y'all. So we just got done eating at the spot. It was a pretty cute little place. The food was pretty good. The black bean burger, that was pretty good. Kind of wish I would have had tacos because I'm trying to stay away from the really healthy food because that's what I eat all the time. So, you know, I just wanted to cheat a little bit while I was out here. But we're waiting on Eric because he's in the bathroom. And then we're gonna go just ride down the strip and see what else there is to see. It's still cloudy out here, but it's not raining, so we'll take it. The breeze feels great. Like, see all the people walking along the beach. Look at them. Just living their best life. Now, I know Galveston doesn't have the cleanest water, but a beach is a beach is a beach, okay? We're gonna take it. That's living where I live.
Seawall Blvd, looking at the ocean. I'm just riding in the Durango Wild Coast. Took a couple shots of ground, slow motion.
I want some.
I didn't take a couple shots. I don't know where the crown is. I want to take a couple shots. Well, when I take a couple shots, I'll be slow motion.
Oh. That's it?
Yeah, for now.
I'm doing.
Oh, look at that shot.
Baby couple.
Look at the kids, lit. Say what's up, kids.
No.
Say hi, kids.
No.
He always got an attitude.
Right. Attitude, child.
golf.
Stop it.
Say golf carts you can rent out in here. Let's go in this little store, see what they got in here. They got a whole bunch of stuff in here. I don't know where to start.
I forgot my money.
Right here. Huh? Come on, y'all.
Y'all gotta go to the bathroom?
No!
You gotta go to the bathroom?
No!
All this stuff. Cute. Yeah. Get up and don't be running. That is cute.
No!
Cute.
Oh!
Y'all, really? This ain't no slide. Oh, these are cute. Welcome. Welcome, alcoholics. I got tipsy. Super cute. Hey, here. Stop. Lyric. Get down here. Cute little store. I bet. First thing you see. You like that? The helicopter? Lyric and Pierre. Don't go too far. Oh, they got a little tent. Lyric, stop.
Oh, Lyric, feel this.
Where'd you at, Pierre? See there. Lyric. I'm pushing it over here. Why is he like that? Alright, y'all, so we are back at the room. We wanted to be out and about since the kids are with Jeazie for the next 2 nights, but the rain hated again. We tried to sit out on the balcony. It was fine at first, then the rain started blowing our way. So that didn't work out. So we just gonna call it a night and pray that tomorrow is not rainy, because there is a chance of rain tomorrow as well. So that really sucks. We were gonna go to the Pleasure Pier. That's closed throughout the week. It's only open on the weekend. Tomorrow's Monday. So that didn't work out either. This is not going well. So we're gonna try the Kima boardwalk. That's a little ways away from here, but it's something. They have rides and stuff. Oh, I have to show you that, what it looked like. But anywho, we will see you guys on tomorrow. You gonna say bye?
We still out here.
Yeah, we still out here. Alright, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. I got it!